So this is going to be the final video on the actual parameters of this synth. And then we're going to move on and do some sound design examples. So there's just a couple of things I wanted to look at here. Now, first of all, our master section up here has our polyphony. It has a MIDI meter showing whether we have MIDI coming in. You can see there, volume control. We have a limiter as well, so we can apply a final limiter essentially to the output to make sure that we don't kind of push things too hard. And then in the settings section, I just want you to draw your attention to this as well. So in here, we have some kind of quick and easy ways of applying velocity to parameters. As you can see, we've got volume, we've got pan, we've got filter, we've got envelope amount, and we've also got a velocity curve that we can go in and change up as well. We have our pitch bend settings here. We have the range of the keyboard that we see here, C2 to C6 in this case. Now the next option we have is the modulation rate, which determines how frequently the modulation matrix is evaluated. Now this is a kind of a CPU trade-off essentially. So you can have it at the highest rate and it's going to have a higher CPU load on your system, or you can have it normal low. They suggest for most applications you can leave it on the default there. Now finally we have this sync option here. Now this is defaulted to internal, which means all the MSEGs and LFOs are synced to the internal clock. We can have it set to host as well, which is going to sync the MSEGs and LFOs to the host transport. I'd leave that on the default internal unless you have a reason to change it. Okay, that's going to be our last video on the parameters of June 3. Next up, we'll have a look at some sound design examples. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.